Jam with Cats, and you may notice this little bunny here. This is actually one of my closest friends, and I'm not gonna say her username for privacy reasons, but I'm gonna be playing Animal Jam with her today, and we're gonna have a fun time just doing random things in Animal Jam. So anyway, we're gonna be moving along, and the first thing we're gonna do is just play some mini games with each other because that's what we're doing. We're just playing Animal Jam. Just so you know, she just recently made her account like a few weeks ago. Ooh. Okay, so we're playing Scooped. How fun! Fun! We're having fun! Oh, I have an advantage. I have a touch screen. I wasn't using my advantage, but I shall use my advantage now. Ha! Take that! Boom! What should we do next? I'm thinking about what we're doing next, and the next thing is... Oh, looks like she's asking how to play. You try to match the cone in the middle. Let's try that game again because okay, this time I'm not going to use my touch screen to make it fair. Because I know she doesn't have a touch screen, so I know she's clicking with her mouse, and that's hard sometimes. So... Oh, no. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. You can do this, cats. You can do this. Do I want a rematch? No. No! I don't want a rematch! Anyway. We should go shopping. Should we go shopping? Should we go shopping? Answer me! Answer me. Should we go shopping? Okay, I'm gonna actually ask her now. Instead of yelling at you guys. Should we go shopping? Should we? Yes? No? Maybe so? Yes. Okay, she wants to go shopping, so let's go shopping. So we're just gonna go shopping in one of the regular shops, and then we might go to actual, like, jammer shops. But, yeah. And waiting for her to arrive. There she is! Okay, so... Okay, so we've got some snowman stuff. Some chocolate stuff. I haven't seen the stores in a long time. So we have a lot of Jamaliday, like, or, you know, Christmas stuff in in here. Ooh, strawberries. I like the strawberries. Look at those strawberries. Those look yummy. Ooh, okay. Well, the pink is kind of cute, but I think I like the red the best. A bowl of almonds. That's cute. That is so cute. Ooh, I kind of like the black and gray, not white. Do I like that or the black and gray? I like the black and gray. Ooh, some peanut butter. Look at that peanut butter. Ooh, that looks good. What else can I get? Oh, I like the scrolls a lot. Those are cute. I have not seen like any of this. I should go shopping because I have like a million gems. So we're ooh, some picket fences. Oh no. I don't know what I want. I want kitchen stuff like ooh, I should get some dino nuggets. Dino nuggets. I already have all the stuff. Oh, I like this. This is really cute. Are you kidding me? That is so cute. Just add it to my wish list. So don't forget about it, but I mean, I guess it looks like I'm done shopping, so I'm gonna go see if my friend is done shopping. You done? What did you get? Yes. Okay, she's done. What did you get? What do y'all get? I got a bunch of different stuff. Well, I mean, I got a peanut butter almond bowl, peanut butter almond bowl, tried to get a head, but didn't have space, and I got, what else did I get? I got some strawberries. Okay, so moving along, I think we're going to play some rounds of hide and seek in my den. This is the kind of hide and seek where Jammers actually play, not the plushie hiding game. So I'm just gonna have to, I'll cut it out, but really quick, I'm just gonna have to tell her to turn her name tags off so she isn't cheating. Okay, so she turned her name tags off, so now we're gonna play some hide and seek. Who go first? We are playing oh wait, I'm dumb. I already told her that when I told her to turn her name tags off. Who go first? Who go first? You, me, everybody. Okay, you hide in first. Go hide. I'm closing my eyes right now so I can't see anything that's going on in the den. Oops, I blinked. Yes, I blink while my eyes are closed sometimes. I need a blindfold. Okay, I'm wearing a blindfold right now. I probably look ridiculous. I'm wearing a blindfold over my glasses and my ginormous recording headphones. So she hid. I cut out some of the part where she was hiding to speed it up, but I don't know where I know where she is. Hi! I'm standing on the table right now. Okay, my turn to hide. So I'm gonna... Do you want dessert? Oh, this is one of my other buddies. Hi. There. Okay. So anyway, well, I'm hungry. Great! I'll give you food in a minute. So anyway, I'm gonna go hide. I am hiding. Close your eyes. There. So I'm gonna go hide. Somewhere that I think is a good hiding spot. Hey. Just a sec. I'm just jagging her to tell her I'm done. She found me, didn't she? She totally found me. Well, so it's getting kind of late. I'm getting kind of tired. Actually, it's not that late, really. But, this video's getting kind of long, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. I am stopping filming. I'm stopping filming. See you round. See you. See ya. There. Hope y'all have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.